In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make website type as portfolio on LinkedIn. If you're a designer, developer, writer, or anyone who showcases project work, setting your website's type to portfolio on LinkedIn makes your link clearer and more clickable. It signals to recruiters and collaborators that they'll see your work samples, case studies, or project highlights. Let's walk through exactly where to find this setting and how to save it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. From the results, click the official LinkedIn website to open the homepage and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're on the LinkedIn feed, look at the left side panel. Click your profile card to open your profile page. This brings you to the top section of your profile, sometimes called the intro or header card. Near the top right of this section, click the small pencil icon. That opens the editor for your profile header details. In this editor, select Edit Contact Info. This is where LinkedIn stores your key contact methods and links. Inside the Contact Info window, locate the Website section. You'll see your existing website entry here. It's a good moment to confirm that the URL is correctly formatted with HTTP or HTTPS, and that it points directly to your portfolio or personal site. A clean, direct link improves credibility and reduces friction for visitors. Next, find the website type option associated with your link. Open the drop-down and choose Portfolio. This label helps people understand at a glance that they're going to a collection of your work, not just a generic homepage. If you maintain multiple links, use the portfolio type on the site that best represents your body of work, such as a gallery, case study hub, or project index. When everything looks right, click Save. Your changes are now applied. Visitors who open your contact info will see your website clearly labeled as Portfolio, making it easier for them to find, review, and evaluate your work. That's the process. Open LinkedIn via Google, open your profile, click the pencil, choose Edit Contact Info, find Website, select Portfolio, and save. Keep your portfolio current with recent highlights so LinkedIn visitors see your best work.